Do you want to improve your computer skills? If the answer is yes, then you are at the right place. We cover from the absolute beginner to more advanced training. There's no better time than right now to take computer courses. This is not only for persons that are new to computers, but even so-called computer experts need to keep up their learning as things are changing daily in a rapidly changing workplace. Your knowledge base is what defines you as a member of society, and especially being part of the employed today. Being highly computer literate puts you at an advantage whether you are currently employed or looking at becoming employed. In the digital age, you are constantly racing to stay ahead of your competition, who will grab the job you want if they are more informed than you are. The question will always be, can you do the job? In order to say yes, you will have to know how to work the latest programs. To do that, you will need to take the suitable computer courses that will equip you. Creative Minds Bellville are a mixed CETA accredited training provider that focuses on learning everyone how to use the computer with confidence. This CETA accreditation can give you the knowledge that this training is of a high standard and aligned to what is required by today's companies. You are probably afraid or have trepidations about taking computer courses together with a room full of people competing with you. Firstly, like most of us, you could be unsure of yourself. You could be insecure about your level of skills to take these computer courses. You do not wish to ask questions in front of everyone else because you might held up the rest of the class, or maybe you are afraid that others might think it is a stupid question. You do not want to compete, you just want to take a few computer courses. Let's look at why we at Creative Minds Bellville stand out from the many traditional training companies out there when it comes to taking stress-free computer courses. In short, it's all about you. You want security and someone who will care about you personally while doing the computer courses. You want a fun and easy to understand computer training manual. You want a calm and peaceful learning environment. You want highly qualified people standing by to help you in case of you having questions, and on that note, you want the freedom to work at a pace that you are comfortable with, but the immediate help when you need it. If you are a complete novice, we will welcome you to a whole new world of technology that will not be as scary as you may think, because we will make it easy to understand and fun to learn about. You are fortunate because of our experience with absolute beginners. Is Creative Minds only for beginners? No. Although Creative Minds Bellville have tailor-made packages just for beginners, we offer various other courses. Many people already have a basic knowledge of Microsoft Word or Excel, but they know the importance of understanding these programs well. This could be to be more productive and valuable at their workplace, or to have this advantage when going into an interview over some other candidates. Other courses we also offer are PowerPoint, Access, and Outlook. You can also inquire about our national qualifications in admin and computer studies. We also provide certificates when you have completed your courses. If you know how to use a computer and only want to learn, for example, Excel, then you are certainly welcome to do so. You can start on a level based on your knowledge and experience. Now let's look what is covered in our basic beginner package. Firstly, we start with, what is a computer and Microsoft Office? In this part of the learning process, we will show you that you have nothing to fear from working on a computer. We will show you the keyboard and how it works. The thing that most people need a little time and practice with is the mouse. Learning to handle the mouse is a new skill, and we train your hand to work with it using simple and fun games. Thereafter, we start with Windows 10. We will introduce you to the environment on which you will run all your programs, and which will be the interface between you and the PC itself. This is called Windows, and the latest version is Windows 10. In your Windows course, you will learn how to create basic documents and to save your documents for use later on, and many other functions. Once you have Windows under your belt, we will move on to Microsoft Word, or simply Word, is a word processor. The purpose of a word processor like Microsoft Word is to type letters, rapports, which you can either print out or send to someone. Lastly, as part of our basic beginner package, you will learn Microsoft Excel. As soon as you work with numbers in the workplace, Excel can help you to work faster and more accurately. Excel uses a grid arranged as rows and columns to organize data so that you can enter and manipulate it in a visual manner. Excel has many functions to help you understand your data. Oh yes. You get to own your manuals, so you have a manual that you can always use as a refresher for yourself. Can I go further if I want to? Yes, you may certainly. This basic beginner package provides an excellent foundation to use in the workplace already. However, many learners that were new to computers enjoy the learning so much and the confidence that they gain from using the PC more effectively that they do continue to learn more. The options are to learn more programs like Internet Edge, Outlook, PowerPoint or Access, or maybe Word and Excel on a higher level, maybe even up to advanced. We are very centrally located in Bellville. We are on the ground floor at Bellville Place. This is on the corner of Free D and Court Street, near the back of ShopRite with lots of free secure parking. It is also very easy to reach with public transport.
Thanks for watching this video. Can we ask you a favor? Please share this video if you think someone else may also benefit from our courses. You can register online on our website or come in for a free consultation. You can then even start immediately. We're looking forward to having you with us. Lastly, please like us on Facebook and Instagram. It only takes a few seconds. This will ensure that you are always up to date with what is happening.